Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. My name is Muhammad Shoaib. Welcome back. In today's tutorial, we are going to explore a super useful feature in WinCC Unified that called UDT or user defined types. If you are tired of creating the same tag over and over again, this one is for you. Let's understand what is UDT. In WinCC Unified, a UDT or user defined type is a custom data structure that allow you to group multiple related variables or tag under one type. Is similar to structure in the programming language like C or custom class in other oriented language. UDTs are especially useful when you are dealing with repetitive data structure like a group of tag for motor, pumps, valves, or transmitters. For example, a motor might have auto manual, local remote, running, motor strip, speed, like that signal. Instead of creating uh, four separate tags variable every time, you just define a UDT once and reuse it whenever you need. So let's jump over the PA portal. And the first step, we will create a pump UDT. So to create a pump UDT, we'll come here in the PLC data type. Right now, you can see we did not created any pump UDT. Click here over the add new data type. So we will put the name, for example, auto, manual, and data type should be the Boolean. You can select data type from here, any other data type you can see. For my case, I will select the Boolean. I will add one more tab like local manual, local remote. Okay. Then one more tag, for example, from run and similar manual start command, for command, then stop command, and then for example, I will click the speed. For speed, I need real data type, so I will select it and I will just drag and drop, or I will write it above the real, so it will come in. So that's it. So I will close it. Now just we will add a new block. Double click here below the program block. Add a new block. Now we create a data block that we just now created with our pump this UDT, user defined data type. So I will right click and rename it with the proper name. For example, I will put it pump UDT. Now click here, add a new block, and now we can create a, we'll select the data block and we'll create a new variables. I will put pump DB database, click OK. So now we will create our, we will reuse this UDT to create a new tags. For example, I will write it here, pump 1, and from here, data type, I will select, I will go down, and here I can select the pump UDT. Enter. So similar manner, we will create a for pump 2 also, pump 2. The same data type, pump UDT, we just now created, we will use the same. Now next step, we will link these variable with our HMI tag. Just go down and HMI tags, open the HMI tags. Okay, our HMI tags is open now. So we will select here, we just go down up. We will select our just newly created database, and here you can see in detail view data, you can find this two of the tags that we just created. Just select, drag and drop it here in the HMI tag area. Similar manner for pump 2 also, just select, drag and drop it. So here you can see now in our HMI tags, this tag is created. So here we just save the time to recreate these all tags. Now we'll move to next step, how to add these tags in our faceplate that we already created the faceplate in our previous tutorial. So you just have to select it here, this pump UDT that in the PLC data type, just select and drag and drop it here in the type area, types. So we'll just keep the same name. We click OK. So here you can see our pump UDT is added in our project library. So now we can reuse these all variables in our pump faceplate. So we already created in our previous tutorial this pump status faceplate. If you did not saw the previous tutorial, I will give in the description. You can watch it. So I will just duplicate my same faceplate object, and we will use it, reuse it. I will just click over the duplicate types, and I will just put any name. For example, I will just keep the same name. Click OK. In previous tutorial, we create separately tags for uh, each of the signals. So here we will use this UDT in our faceplate. So just expand this one and right click over here and edit that. So here you can see we already created this in our previous tutorial. So I will use the same, but here I will just remove these tags we already created in our previous tutorial. Like these three tags, I will remove it. The pump name, I will just keep it the same. Now instead of this all three variable, I will use the UDT. So I will just here the write the name, for example, PMP, PMP. I will just write the name, and after that, I will come here in the data type and just expand it and go down. You can find it here, PLC UDT, and click here over the OK. And after that, just select PLC UDT and click OK. So that's it. Now go back in the visualization. So for the pump name, I will just keep the same name, will not change. But for auto manual signal, we will relink our new tag name. We just now created one of the this tag. So you just select this UDT tag, and after that you can select the auto manual. This previous setting I will just keep it the same. Similar manner for local signal, I will select the local remote tag. We already in previous tutorial we already created this all object, how we can create this master template object. So you can watch in the previous video. Just to reduce the video length, I will use the same. So now from here miscellaneous, then interface, and then the basic color tags, and from here we will select this component. Click OK. That's it. Tag we have. Just click over this yellow icon, click over the release the version, and here you can see updated instance. We don't have right now any instance, we have this just template faceplate. So we did not create any instance from this faceplate or faceplate. So now our faceplate configuration is completed. Now I will open the overview screen, and we will create instance from this faceplate template. So here you can see we already created this instance from our previous faceplate, but right now I will delete this one, and I will create a new instance from my faceplate newly created template object. So come here in the library. This one is my newly created object. Just select, drag and drop it here. And similar manner for second pump also, I will repeat the same. So now I will select my first pump, and I will just expand the miscellaneous and interface. And here you can see pump name and pump, the same tags we created inside the our faceplate template object. So I will select it from here, the pump name. So what tags, now we will link it, HMI tags, and here you can just find. So here you can see here now we will link our the pump DB pump1 objects that we just now created. So just select this one and click here over the OK. So I will select this pump name. This is my string variable that I already created in my previous tutorial. So I will select it the same. So I will just show you here what is this pump name. If you come here and here you can find this is a pump 2 name, this is pump 1 name, and in the static value I already write a pump 01. Similar manner for the pump 2 I already write it for the pump 2. So once in the runtime it will run here, instead of pump name it will show pump 1 and for pump 2 also. Okay, then this is PMP is my tag I created, that is a UDT tag. Just select it from here and then just double click here in the default tag, because if you click it here it will not appear. We have to click it here and then select the form one. This we just now created in our HMI. Just click over the OK, and similar manner I will link my tags for the pump 2 also. Pump 2 string name, and here I will link the UDT. I click over the save project. So as you can see, uh, we created like this pump UDT, and we did not link each and every tag with my pump. If, for example, if you have for one pump like 10 to 15 signal, for each signal, if you did not create a UDT, for each signal you have to link those tag with your faceplate object. But here, in this case, in the UDT case, if you have like 10 to 15 signal, you just have to link your UDT, then automatically all of that your 10 to 15 tags will link with the pump object. So that's it. Now we will download our project. Right click and download. We open the runtime. So our runtime is open now. Now we'll go in the wash table. We'll open the wash table and we will add our newly created tags that we created in the PLC database with the help of the pump UDT. So just click it here and click over the pump DB, then pump 1, and from here I will select, for example, auto, enter. Similar manner for the other, and for the run, and similar similar manner for the pump 2 also. I will just add the run, then go online, monitor mode. So I will add it. So first, the name was not here. So I will first put the pump 1 true value and I will write it. So here you can see right now it's showing the manual. Okay. If I will put it 0 value, then it will show the auto. You can show the similar manner showing the local. If I will put it the true, and right, post the value, where you can see it's changed to remote. And similar manner for pump 1 run, I write the value. So here you can see the my pump is running now. Similar manner for pump 2 also. So here you can see the my both pump is running now. So Alhamdulillah, we'll learn in this video tutorial how we can configure the UDT in the WinCC Unified, and we also learn how we create using the UDT, how we can create a face plate template objects. Then we created the instance from our objects, and we learn how we can reuse the UDT for our multiple similar objects or pumps or walls. So same similar manners you can use this UDT for pumps, walls, transmitters. So the you do not have to create a same tag repeatedly again and again. So it will reduce your engineering time and it will improve the standardization. So thanks for watching this video.